Ever walked into a coffee shop in, say, Lagos, and seeing people effortlessly paying with a tap of their phone using something called Moka? And then you're back in the UK, trying to explain it to your friends, and they look at you like you've sprouted a second head? Yeah, I've been there. It begs the question, is Moka available in the United Kingdom? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Because let's be honest, the world of digital payments is constantly evolving, and keeping up can feel like a full-time job. We're bombarded with new apps, new technologies, and new ways to manage our money. So, when something like Moka pops up, especially if you've experienced its convenience firsthand, it's natural to wonder if it's crossed the pond. Before we get into the specifics of Moka's availability in the UK, let's quickly recap what Moka actually is. For those who aren't familiar, Moka is a digital payment platform popular in certain African countries, particularly Nigeria. It allows users to make and receive payments quickly and easily using their mobile phones. Think of it as a mobile wallet that simplifies transactions, both for individuals and businesses. It's known for its user-friendly interface and its focus on making digital payments accessible to a wider population. Now, why is this even a relevant question? Why are we even discussing Moka in the context of the UK? Well, there are a few reasons. Firstly, the UK has a thriving fintech scene and a high adoption rate of digital payment methods. From contactless cards to mobile banking apps, the UK is generally receptive to new technologies in this space. So, it wouldn't be entirely surprising if a platform like Moka were to consider expanding into this market. Secondly, there's the growing interconnectedness of the global economy. With increased travel, migration, and international business, there's a rising need for seamless cross-border payment solutions. If you have family or business connections in countries where Moka is prevalent, it would be incredibly convenient to have a unified platform that works in both locations. And finally, there's the simple curiosity factor. As consumers, we're always looking for better, faster, and more efficient ways to manage our finances. If Moka offers something unique or advantageous compared to existing UK payment methods, it's worth exploring. So, let's cut to the chase. Is Moka currently available in the United Kingdom? The short answer, as of right now, is no. Moka's primary focus has been on markets within Africa. While they've experienced significant success and growth in those regions, there's no official announcement or indication that they're currently operating or planning to launch in the UK. Now, this doesn't mean it will never happen. The fintech landscape is incredibly dynamic. Companies are constantly evaluating new markets and opportunities. It's entirely possible that Moka could consider expanding to the UK in the future. However, as of this moment, it's not an option for UK residents. This brings us to another important point. What alternatives are available in the UK for those looking for similar digital payment solutions? Fortunately, the UK market is saturated with options, offering a wide range of features and functionalities. We have established giants like PayPal, which offers a robust platform for online and mobile payments, both domestically and internationally. Then there are mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, which allow users to make contactless payments using their smartphones and other devices. These are widely accepted across the UK, from high street shops to public transport. We also have a strong presence of mobile banking apps offered by traditional banks and newer digital banks like Monzo and Starling. These apps often include features like instant transfers, budgeting tools, and spending analytics, providing a comprehensive banking experience on your phone. And let's not forget about contactless cards, which have become incredibly popular in the UK. These allow for quick and easy payments with a simple tap, making everyday transactions incredibly convenient. So, while Moka isn't currently available in the UK, there's no shortage of alternatives that offer similar, and in some cases even more advanced, features. The UK's payment infrastructure is well developed, providing consumers with a wide array of choices. Now, let's speculate a little. What would it take for Moka to succeed in the UK market if they were to launch here? Firstly, they would need to adapt to the local regulations and compliance requirements. The UK has a robust regulatory framework for financial services, and any new entrant would need to ensure they meet all the necessary standards. Secondly, they would need to offer a compelling value proposition. With so many established players in the market, Moka would need to differentiate itself by offering unique features, competitive pricing, or a superior user experience. Simply replicating their existing platform wouldn't be enough. Thirdly, they would need to invest in marketing and customer acquisition. Building brand awareness and attracting users in a competitive market requires significant investment and a well-defined marketing strategy. And finally, they would need to integrate with the existing UK payment infrastructure. This includes partnering with banks, payment processors, and other key players in the ecosystem. So, while the question of Moka's availability in the UK is currently answered with a no, it's important to remember that the world of fintech is constantly changing. New players emerge, existing players evolve, and the landscape is always shifting. Perhaps in the future, we'll see Moka making inroads into the UK market. Or perhaps other innovative payment solutions will emerge, further transforming the way we manage our money. Only time will tell. For now, if you're in the UK and looking for digital payment solutions, you have a plethora of options available. From established giants like PayPal to innovative mobile wallets and banking apps, there's something to suit everyone's needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.